Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to block someone on TikTok. Blocking someone helps you maintain your privacy and control who can interact with you on the platform. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Search and open the TikTok profile of the user you want to block. Tap the share icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see the block option. Tap on it. A confirmation message will pop up. Tap the block option again to confirm your action. And this is how you can block someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.